everyone. This is a quick tutorial of how to sign up for your free Quizlet account and how to add sets that I give you each week from the link and the password, and then how to practice those sets, add them to folders, and then combine them so that you can study multiple weeks. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go up to this yellow sign up button, and you can continue with a Google login if you have one. Continue with Facebook, or just enter in your information. I'm going to go ahead and pause my recording real quick so that I can enter mine. A little side note here, when you're signing up on your birthday, if you are, I believe it's 13 or less, it's going to ask for a parent's email just for safety purposes. If you are over 13 though, it does not require that. So then you can just sign up. And here is your home page. It's pretty boring right now. So now that we have this, what we can do is go get that Quizlet link that I shared with you. We're going to paste it right up here in the address bar, the URL bar, and then hit enter. And it'll say, oh, wait, you need a password for this. So go copy the password that I gave you and paste it in here, and then enter password. And there you go. Now you can see level 1 set 1, but it's not saved for you yet. To save it, you have to come down to this plus sign in the toolbar below the deck of cards. Click plus, and we want to add it to a folder. So create a new folder, and I like to title it Level 1 SAT, ACT, Vocab, Words, but you can title it whatever makes sense to you, as long as you know where you're putting everything. And then just create your folder. Now you can see in this folder, we have that set. So that is how you can add each week's set into your folder. Now let's say that another week has gone by, you have a new link to a new set in Quizlet. We're going to do the same thing. You paste it up there in that address bar, or you can click it when I send it through Zoom. It'll ask you for your password, so copy and paste that randomized password, and then enter password. Now we have level 1, set 2. We can see it, but we don't actually have a copy of it yet. So again, we're going to come down here to the plus sign, add to folder, and we already have this folder created, so just add it in there by hitting that plus sign. Okay, good. Now we have 2 in our folder. To access your folder, you're going to click on Your Library, Folders, and there it is. Click on that and it'll open up the sets that you have in there. So let's open Level 1 Set 1. You can see there are many different ways to study and play games with these. You also have them listed out below. As you are learning them, you can flip them, turn them. If you're doing flashcard mode, it can read them to you. You can do full screen mode. There are a lot of different options here. But how you put them together so that you can really work on retention of the words, you're going to come down here to that same little toolbar below the flashcards. You're going to click the 3 dots and combine. All right, so now you can combine any set that you have the link to, any set that you have been enrolled in the class for, and we save them to a folder so we can easily find them. So you can see we have Level 1 Set 1. Let's go to this folder, and we see that we have a set here that we can add, and that is Set 2. So we push the plus button there, and now this is where our combined sets are. We have both of these ready to be combined, and you can do a lot of different words together. You can also choose how you want to practice them when they are combined. So there are a lot of fun things you can do here. When you are ready, hit go. And here you go. Notice that we now have 1 out of 18 showing. So that's 9 from set 1 and 9 from set 2. And we can play these, we can practice these, we can do a lot. We can listen to them. We can star them to make sure that we study it separately later if it's a hard one for us. We can shuffle. We can go into options and change what we are answering with. There are a lot of options. And this is just for the flashcard version. There are tests, there are typing games. It's like an asteroids type thing, but they call it gravity. Yeah, there's a lot. So explore around with the different games, have some fun with it, and enjoy practicing combined sets so that you are retaining that knowledge as we go. As always, let me know if you have any questions. I am just a quick OutSchool message away. Bye, everyone.